Box Plus One is a simple defensive zone coverage system that divides the ice below the blue line into 4 even sections. Each skater has one section that becomes their responsibility to manage. What's important to remember is that even if your section isn't directly involved in the play, there is plenty you can do within your section to effectively support the play. Let's go over that by talking about each skater's role. In this basic Box Plus One, there are 4 sections of the defensive zone, but there are always 2 sides, the strong side and the weak side. Whichever side the puck is on, that's our strong side. The strong side defenseman is tasked with pressuring the puck carrier when they enter the ice, anywhere from below the face-off dot to the middle of the crease. The weak side defenseman always moves to the front of the net and keeps a strong presence there by using the body. This skater wants to battle with and control the opponent's stick in order to make things as difficult as possible for those hunting for an easy scoring opportunity. Now for the centerman's role. Since they have no distinct boundaries in the defensive zone, this player is given one of the most responsible roles on the ice. The center must be able to support the defensive players as they battle for the puck below the goal line and along the half boards. If they overcommit, one pass could leave them behind the play. The centerman's goal is to always keep themselves in a position where they are contributing to the play, but ultimately one step ahead of it. The center must also know when to switch sides of the ice as they play shifts from one side of the defensive zone to the other. The strong side winger has the job of covering the opposing team's strong side defense by continuously adjusting for solid defensive side positioning. Their goal is to always keep themselves in a position where they are between their player and the goal. The weak side winger will have the responsibility of covering the weak side high slot area. They will keep their head on a swivel, closely watching the opponent's weak side defenseman. What this does is create security for the middle of the ice. If your players know their own ice and learn to keep their heads on a constant swivel, reading and rereading the unfolding play, then you have given them what they need to find composure and eliminate more scoring opportunities while under siege in the defensive zone.